everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Guess what came at my doorstep? It's the Beautylish Lucky Bag, and I was just doing a video. I was finishing up a video and I saw the FedEx guy drive up and come and drop the box off by the door. So I was so excited that it came today. And the video that I was doing was the Sydney Grace Enduring Love palette. And when that one goes live, I will link it down below because pretty much this video will go up first before the Enduring Love palette does. Anywho, let's go ahead and talk about this Lucky Bag. I did get the original size, you know, the day after Christmas when it launched at 11 o'clock. I was looking at my computer, my email. I didn't get it. I kept refreshing. At 11:01, that is when I got the email and I clicked on it. The extra large was already sold out. I don't know if she has just 100 in there and then poof, it's all gone. But I was able to get the original one and I got it in the shade Deep because she makes it light and fair and medium and deep, something like that. But I did get the medium and deep one. The original Lucky Bag costs $75 plus $10 shipping, and you're supposed to get products in here that are worth $150 or more. So alright, let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we got in here. Well, alright, there it is, and it has the little tag in here that explains the history behind the Lucky Bag. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. And there it is, and there is the crane. Let's see what we got in here, and of course you got the black tissue, and there it is right there. Let me go ahead and pull this out and then put it in front of me because I don't want to peek. I don't want to peek. Did I get everything? Yeah, I got everything. Nothing else in here. It's that sticky bubble wrap, so I'm going to pull that apart and then pull out the first item here. And it is something from Holly Frog, and I've been seeing this on Beautylish's website. It seems to be like a new brand that they're carrying. And this one is the Superior Omega Nutria Gel Wash. And you get 5 fluid ounce of product in here. I'm gonna look at their website to see how much this one cost. And this one cost $36. Wow, that's a pricey wash there, cleanser. Oh, that's a cute bottle. Oh, it's also dented in. You see that? Oh, but anywho, it's still good. Next, we have something from Denisa Merrick's Beauty. I believe that's the name of this brand. Wet Balm. That's what it says. Let me figure what this thing is. It seems to be a glass skin glow with a hydrating highlighter. So it's a highlighting balm. And it seems to be there's 4 shades. So let me see which shade I got. I got the shade Hot Water. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, it comes in a really pretty compact there. Ooh, that does look very pretty. This one's described as sheer tan with a luminous finish. So it looks kind of peachy there. So it's a balm, okay. And then you use this as a highlighter? Okay. And this one retails for $22. Alright, next we got a brush. We have a Sonia G Brush. Okay, yay, I love Sonia G brushes. And it's one of the older models with a thicker handle. And which one is this one? Gosh, I have to use my glasses and a magnifying glass to see things. Ooh, this is the crease too, so you can see it's for the crease. Comes with a little pointy edge right there. And the crease too costs $34. Wow, I'm getting some pricey stuff here. Next, I am pulling out something from Good Molecules. It's the silicone-free priming moisturizer. Alright, comes in a big bottle like this, and you get 1.7 ounce of product in here, and it costs $14. It says it's formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. Alright, and let's see here. I'm pulling something else out. What is this? It's Beautylish Present Faux Fur Brush Roll Blush. It's fluffy, I know that. Oh, okay, it's a thing to store your brushes in. So my Sonia G Brush could just go in like that. And it is soft too. Let me see how much this one costs. It's by the brand Beautylish Presents, and this one costs $14. And I think this is the last product here. We have Under My Skin, which Miss Frame, which brand is this? Okay, another new brand, I guess, Miss Fame. Have y'all heard of that brand before? Let me check this one out. Yeah, Miss Fame Beauty. She started as a makeup artist in New York City. She trained under Pat McGrath and collaborated with brands like Prada and Versace. Miss Fame moonlighted as a drag performer known as her unique, ultra-glamorous aesthetic. Her drag career quickly took off, leading to features in Vogue, Germany, V Magazine, and Elle, and a spot on RuPaul's Drag Race. In 2018, she returned to her roots and launched Miss Fame Beauty with a collection of fashion-forward lipsticks and multi-purpose glitter. Okay, let's see what this shades look like. Oh, okay. That is a beautiful palette right there. Ooh, I love this orange one. Oh my goodness. And this one down here too, I'm gonna swatch these for you. But let me see how much this costs. Okay, this one costs $49. All right. Does have a magnetic closure and it's quite thick. Does have a mirror up here on the top. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades. And I don't see any matte shades, so they're all metallics here. Let me swatch the first shade right there. Oh, wow, look at that one. Yeah, I'm gonna swatch these on my arm and we'll go from there. All right, you got the first one. Yeah, that one's pretty. You know what, I'm gonna do it this way, yeah. So let me go that way. Let me try this again. Let me go this way, and that's that first shade there. No, Noirgasm. Okay, I'm excited about this one actually. Yeah, the second one, which is Mauve Mentum. So I guess Momentum, it's mauve with momentum. All right, that one needs a little bit more. Okay, I know I'm not the best swatcher like this, but we'll still go with it. The third one is Astral Play. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This one's a pretty one from in the palette. Let's see how that one looks. Oh, that one's got a shift from a purple to like a blue almost. Wow, I hope you can see that there. But let's go with my favorite shade that I like, that orange one, and that one's called Orangey. Orangey. Oh yeah, look at that one. That one is pretty. Okay, then you have Bluephoria. Oh yeah, that's a nice light blue. Okay, so this is the first row right here. Let's go with the second row, and this one's Auragasm. Yeah, this one does feel gritty, and there's a lot of fallout with this, but let's just see what it looks like. Oh yeah, another pretty shade. Oh, that's got some pink shift to it, doesn't it? Yeah, that one's got some pink shift to it. In the pan, it looks orange. Okay, the next one I thought was a matte, but I can still see some shimmer in there, and this one's called Tauptation. There we go, and there's Tauptation right there. Yeah, it does have a little bit of a glitter to it. I hope you can see that there. And then the next one is Skintimacy. Oh wow, that one's a pretty one too. The next one is Cosmic Crush, and let's put that one right here. Okay, yeah, that one's a pretty one too. And this green one, Wanderlust, and let me put that one up here. All right, here is the palette again, and here are the swatches. All right, I'm excited about this eyeshadow palette. I mean, the shades do look very, very boom in your face kind of a shadow look. All right, so what was in this box? I got the eyeshadow palette by Miss Fame. Beautylish presents Fluffy Brush Holder, the Good Molecules silicone-free primer moisturizer, the Sonia G Crease 2 brush, and this cleanser by Holy Frog. This kind of has a little indent in it, but that's okay. And then this highlighter balm by Danessa Myrix, I believe that's how you say. Let me add everything up and see how much this box costs. Okay, I totaled the 6 products, and this box is worth $171. So not bad, not bad. I do like the eyeshadow palette. The 1 or 2 things that I'm not crazy about is this, because it's not my style, but I think someone in my family would love this. Not a big pink fan, and it's kind of a little frou-frou for me, but you know, that's just me, that's just me. and this balm highlighter. I don't think I can use this one. I mean, I'll try it and see how it'll work with me, but not using that much highlighters nowadays. But maybe this might change my mind, but for sure, this one's not my favorite. I would like to try this wash and this primer, and of course, anything by Sonia G. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2020. And yeah, I'm kind of excited about it, even though there are one or two things that, you know, kind of but all in all, I do like this box. I mean, this eyeshadow palette alone, I mean, yeah, again, look at those shades. Very pretty. I like the duochrome, especially this one right here. You know, I thought it would be more orange, but it has a shift of a pink. And this one too, and this one, and this one, and love that green one. I'm into greens lately, but yeah, this is really nice. Well, alright you guys, thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this, and you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.